Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, I have something special in store for all the students in Kenya, who are looking to make money online. Whether you want to cover your expenses, save up for something special or gain valuable financial independence, these 4 creative and practical methods will help you achieve your goals. So let's jump right into it.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Our first method is freelance writing. As a student, you already possess excellent writing skills, and the internet is full of opportunities for talented writers. You can create engaging content, write articles, blog posts, or even become a social media copywriter. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide a great starting point to showcase your writing talent and connect with potential clients who are in need of your quality content. Now, here are the exact steps to start freelance writing as a student in Kenya. Step 1, find your niche, or as we writers like to call it, your word playground. Figure out what topics you're passionate about or have some expertise in. Maybe it's fashion, gaming, or even art of paperclip sculpting. Step 2, equip yourself with the necessary tools. Grab your trusty laptop, a dictionary, just in case your brain blanks out and you need to pretend you know fancy words, and of course a cup of coffee or tea, if you're fancy like that. No, don't forget to wear your writer's hat for maximum creativity. Step 3, build your writing portfolio. Start by writing some samples to showcase your talent and style. You can create your own blog, contribute to online platforms, or even scribble words of wisdom on your grandma's refrigerator, as long as she approves. Yeah. And then step 4, put yourself out there like a superhero without a cape. Join freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where clients are hungry for wordsmiths like you. Craft an eye-catching profile that highlights your skills, experience, and wit. And of course, remember, humor can be your secret weapon. Step 5, connect with other freelance writers, editors, and clients on social media platforms like Twitter or LinkedIn. Engage in conversations, of course, share your work and make some writer friends. And who knows, maybe they might they might throw some projects your way, when they are too busy battling writer's block. Now, step 6, start small but dream big. Don't be discouraged if your first gig is writing product descriptions for this, the sock emporium. Embrace it. Everyone needs a well-written sock descriptions. Plus, if it's a foot in the door, pun intended, to bigger and better projects. Then step 7, be a professional even in your pajamas. Once you land a gig, communicate with your client clearly, meet deadlines like a ninja, and of course deliver high quality work. Remember, your reputation as a writer is as precious as that last slice of pizza in the box. Let me tell you this, you need to embrace rejection like a seasoned writer. Not every pitch or application will turn into a gig. Use each rejection as a stepping stone to improve your skills and refine your approach. Remember J.K. Rowling faced rejection. Look where she ended up, and celebrate your wins, big or small. May every time you land a new client, complete a project, or receive positive feedback, do a little happy dance. You are on your way to becoming a freelance writing sensation. Next up, we have social media management. It's like being the conductor of an online orchestra, but instead of instruments, you're wrangling tweets, posts, and likes. Social media management is all about taking charge of a brand's online presence and making it shine brighter than a disco ball on New Year's Eve. You get to be the voice behind the witty captions, the mastermind behind viral campaigns, and the protector of a brand's reputation from trolls lurking in the depths of the internet. In fact, here is a guide on how to start offering social media management services as a student in Kenya in just 5 easy steps. Step 1, master the art of the selfie. As a social media manager, you need to understand the struggles of capturing the perfect angle. Experiment with filters, and remember, it's all about finding your good side. Step 2, brush up your emoji skills. So emojis are the secret language of the internet. Get fluent in smileys, thumbs up, and the mysterious poop emoji. Trust me, the day will come when a client asks for a poop emoji strategy and you will be ready. Step 3, create your social media alter ego. Think of a catchy username that reflects your personality and showcases your social media prowess. Bonus points if it includes a pun or clever reference. Remember, you're not just a student anymore, you are a social media superstar in the making. Step 4, show off your social media magic tricks. Build your own social media presence to demonstrate your skills. Start by curating eye-catching content, crafting witty captions, and engaging with your imaginary fans. And hey, everyone needs their 15 minutes of fame, yeah? And even if it's in the digital realm. Step 5, pitch your services like a smooth talking influencer. Reach out to small businesses or individuals who could use, some social media TLC. Highlight the benefits of your services in a way that makes them say, hey, I need this person to handle my social media like a boss. Be confident, be persuasive, and throw in a few GIFs, for a good measure. And bonus tip, stay on top of the latest social media trends. TikTok dances, viral challenges, and memes come and go faster than a sale at your favorite store. Stay in the loop and adapt your strategies accordingly. And who knows, you might just become the next viral sensation. Moving on to our that method, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like being the ultimate hype person for products or services you love. Imagine getting paid to shout from the digital rooftops.
Hey, everyone, check out this amazing Magic to change your life.
You become a virtual matchmaker, connecting people with stuff they need while earning a tasty commission for your efforts. Now, how can a student like you get started in this wild adventure of affiliate marketing? Fear not, for I present you 3 easy steps. Step 1, find your niche. Figure out what gets your heart racing and your mind geeking out. Maybe it's fashion, gaming, beauty, or even artisanal pickle sculptures. Hey, there's a niche for everything, yeah? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and passions, because selling stuff you genuinely care about is way more fun. Step 2, join affiliate programs. Look for companies or platforms that offer affiliate programs in your chosen niche. There are more affiliate programs out there than ice cream flavors. So take your time to research and find the ones that fit your style. Sign up, follow the instructions, and voila! You'll get a special affiliate link that tracks all the people who click on it. It's like having your own secret agent code. Then step 3, share your affiliate links like a digital Santa Claus. Once you have your special affiliate links, it's time to sprinkle them across the digital realm. Start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or dive into wild world of social media. You're already a pro at that, right? Create engaging content that people actually want to consume and cleverly weave in your affiliate links. You want to be like a cool friend recommending a must-have gadget, not a pushy salesman. And pro tip, be authentic. People can smell fakeness from a mile away. Share honest reviews and personal experiences and genuine recommendations. Authenticity will not only earn you the trust of your audience, but also make your affiliate marketing journey a heck of a lot more enjoyable. Lastly, we have blogging and monetization. Now, if you enjoy expressing yourself through written content, this method will be perfect for you. And here is how to start and monetize it in 3 easy steps. First, you need to discover your blogging passion. Starting a blog begins with finding a topic that tickles your funny bone, or sparks your curiosity. It could be anything from cat fashion to underwater basket weaving. Just make sure it's something, you genuinely enjoy. Step 2, now that you found your passion, it's time to create your blog. Think of it as your own virtual playground, a place where your words can frolic freely. You need to choose a catchy domain name and a blogging platform that suits your needs. Set up your blog with eye-catching design, that's as dazzling as a disco ball. Of course, minus the need for bell-bottom pants. Then step 3, turn your blog into money-making machine. You need to consider these options. The first one is affiliate marketing. We already talked about this. Here you need to partner with companies whose products or services align with your blog's theme. Recommend their wares to your customers or readers, and if they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's like being a smooth talking matchmaker for products and customers, but with a few candlelit dinners. Next one is advertisement. Here you need to display ads on your blog to generate revenue. Just be careful not to plaster your blog with so many ads that it looks like a neon lit carnival. Keep it classy, where ads blend seamlessly with your content. The other way to monetize your blog is through digital products. Here you need to create and sell your digital goodies like ebooks or online courses. Share your wisdom and skills with the world and make money while doing it. And there you have it, 4 creative and practical ways to make money online as a student in Kenya. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about making money online and improving your financial situation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with my latest videos, where I'll share even more insightful content or to help you achieve your goals. So click that subscribe button now, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay focused, and remember, your potential for success is limitless.